Then contextBridge is used to expose safe function to the page, and IPC render is used to send message to the main process. Then we just write contextBridge dot expose to the main world, which will create a safe object on the browser called to do API. Then inside we just write load to dos. This arrow function send a request to the main process to get the to dos. For that we just write IPC renderer dot invoke, then inside the parentheses double quote to dos hyphen loads. This should match the handler in the main.js. You know, this to dos hyphen loads should match this handler. Here you can see match to dos hyphen load, I want to say. Then we create also the second to save the to-dos. For that we just write, we get the to-dos from our render.js, then IPC render dot invoke to-dos hyphen save. Then the second argument should be the to-dos that we get from the front end or the renderer. Then this also should match the handler we have here. Yes, I think we finished with the preload because we have only these two arrow function. And next, I think we finish with this video. Try just to write it in your side, or I will provide this code on my GitHub. Try to execute it in your side and try to see if it will work as in mine. Yes, see you next.